Hello and welcome to my channel where I taste and rank different types of alcoholic beverages. Today I'll be tasting 5 different types of vodkas based off of how they taste alone as well as mixing them in a simple club soda cocktail. This is strictly my opinion where I believe I would rank these guys through S through F tier, so there is no right or wrong answers. With that said, let's get started with the first one. Alright, here's my tier list. And these are the 5 vodkas right below. Alright, in no particular order, we'll grab a Smirnoff Vodka, American vodka. This says it's 10 times filtered. So for those who don't know, apparently the more times you filter it or distill it, the smoother it's supposed to be. Here's my little taster glass. Alright, let's try it. So Smirnoff is known to be one of the least expensive one. This was this little small bottle was I think $4. Generally the bigger bottle is like $10. But for being a vodka, this is actually very delicious, very creamy. You know, not a lot of people will drink vodka alone like I'm doing, but you know, I find it delicious just to drink vodka and try it alone before, you know, mixing it. I feel like it makes the biggest difference to try them alone just to see what it tastes like. For Smirnoff and for all the crap it gets, it's not bad. It's actually very delicious. I definitely do like it, especially for the price point. Alright, let me mix it with the club soda now. Oh. Put that aside. Got a little ice. Bubbliness to it. With the club soda, you know, I could barely taste the alcohol at all. It's very, very faint. I feel like with Smirnoff, it makes a perfect mixing cocktail as well as drinking it alone. It's definitely not bad what most people say it is. I definitely really enjoy it. If I'm going to rank this one, I'll probably rank this one as an A. Again, I don't think it's the best vodka in the world, but it's definitely very drinkable and very enjoyable for me. Alright, let's move on. Alright, next one I have is Absolut Vodka. It's made in Sweden. Alright, here's this one. Well, compared to the Smirnoff, this one has a little bit more of that peppery spiciness to it. It's not bad, but definitely you could taste more of that alcohol, that medicinal taste to it. Not the worst. Let's mix it with a little club soda. Grab an ice cube. With the club soda, this made it taste a little bit more creamier, honestly. On its own, the vodka isn't horrible. It's not the greatest, but as a mixing, it does very well. Due to the fact that it mixed very well, I'll probably give this one a B. Alright. Moving on, we have Deep Eddy Vodka out of Austin, Texas. Distilled 10 times. This is actually very, very smooth. Very, very good. It's very creamy in the mouth. I got no burn at all from where the Absolut I got the little pepperiness to it. This is actually very, very good. This is actually very, very good. I'm deeply surprised with how this was. I believe this was $12.99, about that $10 to $15 price point. Let's try it with the club soda now. All right. Not a fan with the club soda. I feel by adding the club soda, I could taste more of the alcohol, which is kind of weird. This is something where I think this might have been better in a martini rather than with club soda. I think the little bubbliness with it kind of messed with the flavors. Overall, it's still not bad, but then just due to the mixing with this, I don't think this mixed very, very, very well. I'll probably give this one a B with Absolut. All right, next one I have is Ving Vodka. So this one is a gluten-free vodka made with kale, lemon peels, and cucumbers. Very interesting. Wow. So this one actually has a smell compared to the other three. The other three, when I smelled them, they were just nothing. They were just vodka. They just smelled like alcohol. This one, you can definitely smell that lemon peel, that cucumber. It smells really, really refreshing due to that cucumbers. If you ever get this one, definitely take a sniff of this one. Taste wise, due to that lemons, I do taste a little citrusness to it. And a hint of cucumber. Not very strong, it's very faint. I get more citrus to this. Due to that citrusiness to it, it doesn't create a smoothness in most vodkas. Again, it's not bad. I don't know how this is going to hold up with the club soda, but let's try it. The club soda definitely enhanced the citrus of that lemon peel, and then that cucumber flavor that actually popped as soon as I put the club soda in it. I definitely do enjoy this one the way it is with the club soda. It just makes those flavors that it says it has in it pops out just by adding a simple thing such as club soda. For this one, I'm probably going to rank this one as A. Only the fact that, again, on its own, it wasn't great, but as a mixer, it tastes fantastic. This was a good one. All right, last one. It's called Trust Me Vodka. Let's go right here. So this guy is not sure if you see it. There's an art on the back of the bottle. Every bottle they make a different piece of artwork. This one has a picture of a lady's face. This is also gluten-free, made out of Idaho potatoes. For those who can't drink wheat. All right, let's try it. Out of all the ones, this one I really taste the burn. It finished very, very hot. Not smooth at all. This one's probably my least favorite out of the bunch. Well, let's mix it with the club soda and see what's the taste is going to change. All the club soda did was mask the heat. Not much flavor going on, just plain. Just this tastes like it's a regular vodka, or just regular alcohol, like hand sanitized alcohol. There's nothing going on with this one. Definitely my least favorite. This one I'm probably going to rank it as an E. Again, the initial taste on its own was not great. It was very hot. Taste wise, with mixing with club soda, it also didn't really do much to it. Still tastes the same. Again, didn't really change anything to it at all. But yeah, so this is my list. Where would you guys rank this? You know what? Leave a comment, let me know. And if there's anything else that you guys think I should try, also leave a comment. But thanks for watching. Cheers.